to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at partial fraction, and we know that partial fraction is a method of combining two or more simple algebraic fractions to obtain a single algebraic fraction. And we have different types of partial fraction. We have the non-repeated factor at the denominator, which is something like this, and we have different method of solving a partial fraction. Alright, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to resolve this type of partial fraction using comparing coefficient method. You can also use cover up method too, but this video I'm going to show you how to use comparing coefficient method. Alright, feel free to pause the video and try it yourself. So we have solution here. Solution. So we have 7x negative 1 divided by 3x negative 1 into 2x positive 3. This will be equals to, you can decide to use your regular A and B, but me want to use P and Q. You can decide to use any of the alphabets too. So we have 3x negative 1 positive Q. Q is what? 2x positive 3. Alright. So next, this is going to be what? Next, this is going to be what? We take the LCM between these two. So we're going to have P into 2x positive 3, then positive Q into 3x negative 1 divided by, I seen it, divided by, this is 3x negative 1 into 2x positive 3. Alright, so in this other part here, we're going to write the same thing. This is 7x negative 1 divided by into 3x negative 1 into 2x positive 3. So we can say that since these two are the same, so these two are the same, so these two can cancel out these two. So we're left with 7x negative 1 is equals to P into 2x positive 3 plus Q into 3x negative 1. Alright, so I left with this equation. Let me adjust this to the other side. So we have, well, 7x negative 1 is equals to P into 2x positive 3, like this, 2x positive 3 plus Q into 3x negative 1. Alright, so we have this. Alright, so we can say this is 7x negative 1 is equals to P times this. We have 2px plus P times this. We have 3p. So next, plus this times this, we have 3qx negative q, because negative, this will give us negative q. So next, we collect like terms, or we rearrange this. So we have 7x negative 1 is equals to this, which is 2px positive 3qx. So move this, we have positive 3p, then negative q. Alright, so let's compare the coefficients. So we have 7x here is equals to, this is 2px positive 3qx. So 7x is equals to, what's common? you can see that x is common in between these two um, numbers here, in between these two. So we have x, and so this is 2p, positive what? 3q, and we have x here, which is common here because x times this will give you this, x times this will give you this. So x can cancel out with this x. So we have 7 is equals to 2p plus 3q. All right, can label this as our equation 1. Can label it as our equation 1. So next, let's see how we can get our equation 2. We have from this same equation here, we have this, we have to compare it to this one. So we have -1 is equals to 3p negative q. You are comparing the one that has x with this 7x here, and the one that doesn't have x with this one that doesn't have x here, isn't it? So this is my equation what? Equation 2. All right. So we have to solve simultaneously. Let's come back to this part here. Let me clean this. All right. So we have 7 is equals to 2p positive 3q. Let me clean everything this time. So we have 7 is equals to 2p positive 3q, and we have -1 is equals to 3p negative q. Equation 1 and equation 2. All right, so we can rearrange this. By saying this is 2p negative 2p negative 3q. I'm moving all of this to this side. This is equals to -7, and here is negative, here's 3p, and positive q is equals to +1. So if we multiply all through by -1, we should be having this as positive. If you're having this as positive, this as positive, and this as positive, so here is going to be positive, here is positive, and here is also positive. All right, so multiplied by -1, this one is going to be positive, while here is going to be negative, and here is going to be negative. All right, so next we multiply here by 3 rather, then here by 2. So we have 3 times this, we have 6. We have 6. 3 times we have 6 p. 3 times this, we have 9q. We have 7 times 3 of 21. Right, so we have 2 times 3, we have 6p. We have 2 times this, we have -2q. We have 2 times this, we have -2. Applying elimination method, we have 6p minus this is 0. So 9p negative is positive. So we have 9q negative 2q is equals to 21 negative 2. So I have 9q negative this is 11q. So this is equals to 21 negative this, we have 23. I seen it. So we have q is equals to 23 over 11 as my q. So my q is 23 over 11. So let's move to the other side and see how we can solve for my p. All right, so I can solve for my p. So I can solve for my p. So I can say substitute the value of my q, which is equals to what? 33 over 11 into equation, let's say equation 1. And what's my equation 1? My equation 1 is giving us 2p positive 3q is equals to 7. This is my equation 1. So we want to solve for the value of q, value of p rather. So we have 2p is equals to, this is 7 negative 3q. So we have p should be equals to 7 negative 3q divided by 2. So substituting the value, this should be equals to 7 negative 3 q. What's my q? My q is 33 over 11 and divided by 2. So this is going to be p is equals to, let's solve this. So I have 3 times 2. 3 times 3 is 9, then 3 times 2 is 6. So I have 69, 7 negative 69 divided by 11 divided by 11 here. Then here is now divided by 2. Alright, so this is p is equals to, this is 77 negative 69 over 11 times 1 over 2, because division we interchange into this. Alright, so next we're going to say 77 negative 69. So we have p is equals to 77 negative 69. We have 8 over 11 multiplied by 1 over 2. So 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4. So this should be equals to 4 over 11 is my value of q. Alright, so I've gotten my value of p and my value of q. Let's see how we can complete everything. So we know that my value of q is 23 over 11 and my value of p is 4 over 11. So let me quickly clean up this side. Clean up on this side. On this side too. Alright, so my p is equals to 23 over 11. Sorry, my q rather. My q is equals to 23 over 11 and my p is equals to 4 over 11. Alright, so we have 7x negative 1 divided by 3x negative 1 into 2x positive 3 is equals to p over 3x negative 1 into, this is plus q over 2x positive 3 So this is equals to, what's my value of p? 4 by 11. So 4 over 11 divided by 3x negative 1. Then positive, my q is 23 over 11. Right at the top, so it can be enough. So 33 over 11 divided by 2x positive 3. All right. Solving this well, we're going to have 1 over 11, the bracket of 4 over 3x negative 1, positive 11 over 2x positive 3. All right, thank you guys for watching. This is your final answer. Thank you guys for watching. I believe you will to understand this brief explanation of partial fraction using comparing the coefficient method. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.